Hello everybody, this is Thomas and welcome to my new YouTube channel dedicated to St. Louis and adjacent areas weather, and I will also cover other major weather events across the world when the time comes. I will be posting videos not every day, but on most days, especially on days leading up to potential major winter storms or other storms that could impact the weather around the St. Louis area. This video is due This video I'm going to talk about the potential storm that will impact St. Louis from later today, December 3rd, Saturday, into Monday or early Tuesday, December 5th, 6th. The main feature is this upper level low that is currently dropping south across the southwestern United States. This upper level low has already thrown out one shortwave trough that is currently moving through the upper Midwest. This trough did dump 12 inches of snow in parts of Kansas yesterday, really. Over the next coming days, this upper level low will be throwing out other shortwave troughs, like this one up here that's dropping south. And this will bring periods of precipitation to the St. Louis area over the next two to really 2 days, but maybe into early Tuesday as well. This is the current visible satellite imagery showing clouds are streaming into the area. Underneath these clouds are showers, occasionally a rumble of thunder, and snowfall as you go further west and north up into the colder air up here in Iowa, Nebraska, and Kansas. This is another view of the major trough across the southwestern United States. As you can see, this is the 500 millibar map right now, showing the 500 millibar heights, really about 18,000 feet in the air, but could be a little higher or lower depending on the height. The trough is located right here. You can see this little dip in the jet stream. Here's the first trough that moved through Kansas the other day, streaming northeast out of the region. I will put this into motion and you can see it better. See these clouds. This is also the water vapor imagery, by the way. And this trough is moving out, slowly moving out. But as you see, this upper level low slowly spinning off to the southwest, and the next trough is currently dropping south out of the northern Rockies, and this will round the trough and move into the Midwest, Great Plains Midwest, over the next 24 to 48 hours. And this will bring us the potential wintry precipitation we will see on Monday. This map right here is just a surface map showing the temperatures across Missouri and parts of Kansas and Nebraska, Iowa. As you can see, it's into the upper 50s, lower 60s. We did hit 61. I did see 61 in Chesterfield just a few minutes ago. It just changed. But here's the first cold front that'll be moving through the area tomorrow. This map down here is just showing dew points. Winds are from the south-southeast, bringing in dew points, higher moisture into the region. I'll loop that real fast. You can see the greens streaming up northward towards our area. Stop that. Stop this. Next map is just the radar of the region right now. The white, you probably think it's snow, of course, and the green and yellows are rain. Snowfall on the backside of the cold front. This is a cold front. Cold front's right here right now. This map is a little old, but the frontal features. Cold front's a little further to the southeast now. This is the next front that will push through on Monday. That will bring us the colder air and bring us our colder air for next week. This is a model output for 3 p.m. on Monday, showing the 500 millibar heights and winds, about 80 to 90 knots of wind coming through the area. This is still the main trough back here, but this is the next little shortwave that will push through. That will bring us the snowfall for Monday. This is the surface map. As you can see, the winds now have shifted around to the north. This is the Arctic front back here. This is the cold front that was in northwest Missouri, pushing through and be completely clear the area by Monday. Temperatures behind this front will be in the low to mid 30s, hovering between 32 to 34 degrees for St. Louis all day Monday. This map is just an 850 millibar temperature map. The solid yellow line here is the 0 degrees Celsius line, or the 32 degree Fahrenheit line. As you can see, this is to our south, which pretty much indicates that we will have snowfall on Monday instead of freezing rain or sleet, which we are accustomed to sometimes in winter storms. But with this line to our south instead of to our north, as was the case for the major storm that hit us in February, was it late January, early February? Early February, that brought 20 inches of snow to Columbia. It's just to our south now instead of hovering right through St. Louis. Next map is just another map showing the cold front that we pass us to our south, just a larger image of it. Colors are a little bit different, but you get the point. We'll be hovering, this little blue is low 30s, this lighter green is mid to upper 30s. We're hovering right around the low to mid 30s line, so I think it'll be a little colder than that, probably closer to 32, 33, but we could be around 34 as well. This is the 24-hour precipitation forecast for Monday. Since we'll be hovering around freezing, a lot of this will fall as snow, especially later in the day. We will start as rain, I will guarantee that. Early Monday, it will be raining. When you wake up Monday morning, it'll probably be rain, but it will shift to snow, turn to snow, sometime late Monday morning or early afternoon. When that changes will be crucial in the amount of snowfall we get. If it changes early, we will get more snowfall. That's a guaranteed fact. It will rain, it will snow a little bit Monday, but when this changes is crucial. I think it'll change mid to late morning, but because the ground temperatures are warm, it will be tough to accumulate at first. We will need some heavy banding features to develop over St. Louis in order to get the real accumulated snowfall on the surfaces. It will accumulate on grassy areas, of course. That being said, this is just one model. Another model has this precipitation to our south, which gives us very little, if any, snow, which is definitely possible, but I'm not really believing that right now. I'm thinking we will get a little bit of snow. We will get rain changing to snow early Monday. And with that, this is the accumulations I think we will get. 1 to 3 inches for the entire I-44 corridor, with some 2 to 4 inches to our south and southwest. I think it will turn to snow a little quicker to our southwest as the colder air will funnel in a little bit more to our southwest because the low will be moving up towards us. And that is really it. I hope you have a good day. If you have any questions, you can text me or anything. See ya.